Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M15, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now to get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector like this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device right here. Find the little insert area and push the pin in. And you will see that the tray pops out, enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. Now on the tray, you have space for either two SIM cards, one on either side, or one SIM card and one SD card. I'll be using the bottom part of it as an SD card, but if you wanted to use it as a SIM tray for dual SIM support, you just place SIM card sideways like this, obviously without the SD card. Now moving it over to the top, you can just clip it into place. Now keep in mind, you do need to kind of like squeeze it in there. It needs to clip into place. The cards shouldn't be protruding from the tray anywhere, and if you flip them over, they should stay on the tray. If they're falling out, that means that they're not in there all the way, and you need to just kind of like squeeze them in. Anyway, once the cards are in place, you can then insert it back into your device. There we go. And these cards should start working right away once inserted. So you can see it is detecting the SD card, and it should also be detecting SIM card, though it's kind of showing me that it is deactivated. It did show a reception for a brief moment, but the card is kind of dead, so it's not going to connect to anything. But in any case, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.